Everyone, this is Zed and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss the chapter 1 of class 9 geography from the book Contemporary India 1. Okay, so let's begin with our topic, which is the India size and location. Okay, so in this video, basically what we are going to do, we are going to get to know about the size of India and the location with respect to the world, that where the India lies on the globe and what is the size of India and all the facts related to this. So before jumping directly to our topic, let's understand a simple concept: the initial location of India. Okay, it is not the initial location of Earth, it is the initial location of India. So initially, India was not where you see India today. You can see India, which is located here. This was not the initial position of India. When we go back in time, nearly 100 to 150 million years ago, okay, you will see India here, which was near South Pole of the Earth. Okay, so this was the initial location of India. India was located nearly south of the globe, and it was connected to a large landmass called Gondwana land, and then the Gondwana land split into various large land masses, and the part of India moved toward north, and then it attached to the Laurentian landmass. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now let us move to our topic. So to understand the location of India on the globe, we have to understand two very important imaginary lines which are located on the globe. The two important lines are, first, which is prime meridian line, which is the 0 degree longitude line, and the second one is the equator, which is 0 degree latitude, which is also known as the longest latitude of the globe. So the equator, what does equator do? Equator divides India into two equal parts. What are those parts? The first one is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. We have to keep in mind that the equator divides the globe or the earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And what does the prime meridian line do? It also divides the globe into two equal parts, which is the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. So to understand the location of India, we have to write down the directions. This is north, this is east, this is west, and this is south. Okay, so where does India is located? So India is located in the northern hemisphere and in the eastern hemisphere. So the location of India becomes in the northeastern part of the globe. Okay, so the India is located in the northeastern part of the globe. I hope you understand this. Now we will move further. We will see the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India. I hope you all know about the latitude and the longitudes. I hope you have learned about these in your previous classes. So as we know that India is a very large country, it is a very vast country. Its latitudinal and longitudinal extension are also very large. The latitudinal extension of India is from 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north. So here you can see the latitude 8 degree 4 minute north, and here you can see 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. So this is the latitudinal extent of India. And if we talk about the longitudinal extent of India, which is 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 27 minutes east. Okay, so here you will see the 68 degree 7 minute east longitude, and here you can see the 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. So from this point when you will move toward east, the longitudinal extension also increases, and when you will move from this point to north of it toward this point, the latitudinal extent of India increases. Okay, so what are the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India? The latitudinal extension of India is 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and the longitudinal extension is 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 27 minutes east. Okay, now there is a fact that the Tropic of Cancer, which is also a very important latitude, which passes through India from 23 degree 30 minutes north. So you can see this line, this imaginary line, which is the Tropic of Cancer, which is passing through India and dividing India, nearly dividing India into two equal parts. Okay,